And welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. Yesterday we thought about comparing objects, didn't we? Thinking about which was more than, which was less than, which was equal to. Today we are moving on to ordering. And I wonder, looking at the screen, how do you think we could order these objects? Yes, so we could do it from maybe smallest to largest or largest to smallest. For example, why don't we do smallest to largest? So out of these, which do you think is the smallest amount? Yes, I think it looks like the books. Let's have a count and make sure, and then we can order them. So let's start with the books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 books. What about crayons? I've got 10 in here, and then I've got 1, 1. So I know I've got one lot of 10 and 1, 1. So I've got, oh, that's not very good, is it? I've got 11. And then let's count the Numicon. This is one lot of 10 here. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have got 15 here. This is representing 15 with the one lot of 10 and the 5 ones. And then here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I was going to do smallest to largest, what would need to go at the start? Which object or objects? Yes, the books, as there are 7 books. So I would take this to the start. So I've got my 7 here. Oh, there we go. My 7 books. And then what would come next? Yes, my cubes, as I have got 10 of those. 10 cubes. What object or amount would come next after that? The crayons. Let's just move this up, as this would come at the end, wouldn't it? Because it's the biggest amount. So I can put that there. And then here I could put my crayons, as that is 11. So I have ordered the objects from smallest to largest. I've got 7, 10, 11 and 15. Moving on. So, have I put these in the correct order? Yes or no? So the first challenge is to have a look. Let's work it out, add the numbers, and then we can move on. So, I've got one lot of 10, and then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. One lot of 10 and 7 ones. This is the number 17. Here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Here I've got one lot of 10 and then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And over here I have got one lot of 10 and 2 ones. So now the next part of our task. Is this in the correct order from smallest to largest? No, it's not, is it? So I'm going to put a cross here. And then I'm going to write above where they should go. So which is the smallest amount? 5. So I'm going to put a number 1 here because that should come first as it is the smallest. Which will be the amount that comes after 5? 12, well done. So I'm going to put a 2 here as that should come next. Then what will come after 12? Fantastic. And then the biggest amount, the largest amount is 17. So I've added the numbers above to put them in the correct order. First is number 5, second is number 12, third is number 14, and then last is 17, as we've just worked out that the largest is 17 and the smallest is 5. Okay, this time, what do we think? Have I put these in the correct order from smallest to largest? Yes, I have, haven't I? And it's really nice, this one, as you can tell, just by looking at the ones as they go up in size, don't they? So I can see really nice and easily that, yes, this is the correct order. Well done, Miss Clark. Okay then, lovely ones. Again, let's work out the amount and then we'll see if I've made a marvellous mistake. So these look delicious, these hot chocolates. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Got 12 delicious hot chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So far, so good. As we know, 13 is one more than 12. Let's check the hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what do we think? Tick or cross? Has Miss Clark put them in the right order? No, I haven't, have I? Let's give it a cross. Which number should come first? Which is the smallest number? 11, isn't it? So I'm going to put my number 1 here, as that should be at the start. What comes after 11? Brilliant, 12. And then the biggest number is 13. That is our largest number. So the smallest, 11, 12, 13. Fabulous. Thank you so much for the help, guys. Okay, so this time, the next part on your sheets, you have got the numbers, the numerals. It might help you, though, to do that in Dean's. So again, you've got the sheet you had last time to cut them up and make them, if that helps you. So this is 14. So I need 1 10. And how many ones? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the number 7. So I need 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the number 13. How many 10s do I need? 1 lot of 10. How many ones? 3. 1, 2, 3. And last but not least, I've got the number 20. So how many 10s do I need this time? 2. How many 1s do I need? 0. So I can see then from here that the smallest number with no 10s is 7. So over here, I can reorder on my line. So 7, let's cross that one off so I don't get confused. Then what is the next one? I can see this one has 1 10, so does this one. But this one has 3 1s, whereas 14 has 4 1s. So I'm going to put 13 next. Then I'm going to put 14, as 14's only got 1 10, but 20 has 2. So I'm going to put 14 next. Yours will be much neater than Miss Clark's. And then I'm going to put 20. Okay, so that is how you're going to answer that part on your worksheet. And last but not least, we have a question. It says, Jane has ordered the objects from smallest to largest. But Susie says, I think that's wrong because there are more pears than dinosaurs. Do you agree with Susie? Do you think there are more pears than dinosaurs? Yes, I think so. You can see that quite easily, can't you? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dinosaurs. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 pairs. So I agree with Susie. There are more pears than dinosaurs, But do you think, so I'm going to put a tick there because I agree with Susie, that you would change anything else? Are you happy with the rest of the order? Do you think it is still going from smallest to largest? No, I don't either. I think there doesn't look like there's very many umbrellas, but I think it looks like there's more flowers. Let's have a look, shall we? Flowers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 flowers. And how many umbrellas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, would you change anything else? Yes, I think we need to mix up our flowers and umbrellas. So on the bottom here, I'm just going to write the numbers in the right order. So it would be 7 for 7 dinosaurs, 9 for 9 umbrellas, 12 for 12 flowers, and then 20 for 20 pairs. And there we have it. We've answered the question and we've double checked and we've made sure that we're correct. Jane got a bit confused. Susie spotted one mistake, but we've sorted the rest out. So well done, Year 1. So your challenge today, my lovelies, is this one here. So just like we did together, you've got to go through and see if you think it's in the correct order from smallest to largest. Then you've got to give it a tick or give it a cross. If you give it a cross, you've then got to write your 1 to 4 in whichever order you think it should be across the top. Then here you can make these numbers with your Deans and then put them in the correct order on the line. And then underneath you have got a question just like we did where you've got to work out if you agree with Teddy. If you don't, what else would you change? And you can do the numbers just like we did on the last part of the flip chart. Okay, I cannot wait to see what you get up to, Year 1. And me and Miss Evans are so proud of you as always. Have a lovely rest of your Wednesday. Bye.